Hi besties, good morning. Welcome to OGECHI'S corner. Trust is late so well. But I was able to finish this last night. I fixed this. Everything is ready for this particular one. Then I also sewed the skirt. This is for the hip padding. I've prepared everything, so I'll just couple it now. Then sew my net. Then work on it, design it. Okay? Thank you so much for engaging. And early this morning, I applied the relaxer on my hair. So very soon I'll wash it out because it's up to 1 hour now. But it's not paining. That's one thing with this lush relaxer. Unlike other relaxers that do burn my skull, once I apply it, my head will catch fire. So when I finish fixing this thing, I'll wash it out. I have hot water on fire already. So please let's do the hip padding, alright? So guys, I've washed out the relaxer and my hair relaxed so well. Trust lush on this. Let me flaunt my hair small. Again, I'm done with the skirts. I'll fix the hip. So I'll now trim out the excesses and the edges and then blend it. Let me sew my net. I forgot that I have not sewn my sister's hair. So after the net, alright, so let's sew again. Hi guys, good afternoon. How are you doing? Trust you're good. I'm just waking up from sleep now. I rested for like an hour. It's not even up to. So I have to wash my face. That's why my face is red. Yeah, I finished my outfit. I've been sewing them in the morning. So afternoon, it's around after 12. I want to take it to where I'll do my fitting so I can start designing. I also go for my evening sale. I want to go out early today. So one of my remember the 2 gowns I made for baby and mother. The mother told me that the baby's son couldn't enter her head, and me, I was just trying to avoid that the chest is too open and that, but I hope there's a place that I stitched, so when I get there I'm using them. After that I know what's up if it will enter. So she needs small scarf, so I have to join pieces and I'm taking it. You remember the customer that I supplied 10 bottles of soya milk on Sunday? That was 2 weeks ago, one Sunday evening. She chatted me up and said, why did I ask her if she needs more? Or have I stopped? I said no. She said she needs, as usual, 10 pieces. But I should bring her 5 from the fridge to the cold. Then the remaining 5 should be blocked. So okay, I literally brought them out. So now the 5 bottles are dissolving, but before I get there, I know it will melt. So I have to quickly go out now. See what I'm showing. I brought these 5 bottles out. Guys, I'm ready to go. Okay. sun is too much, so that's why I'm having this on. I don't like sun entering my eyes for any reason, except I'm not with my shades. Okay. So I'm just going out with a few bottles in case I'm going to carry load. So I'm going with the clothes to be fitted. The 10 bottles so I'm going to be supplied. See how it is, I'm walking along the way, right? I'll catch you later when I come back. Even if I can start my design in this night. Good time. Hi guys, I just stepped back. Did you miss me? My rain fell today this evening and it disturbed me as I came back so late, and they just brought the lights. So what do I do now? I need to amend my skirt at the lap side, then the top at the bust side. Then only if I'll start designing this night. Now my sister's clothes, like I said, is not enough. So let me look for the pieces and join it. Let's go to the machine, okay?